Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 25th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where in this specific video on daily basis I review my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learnings and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading idea. What an exciting day we had today. Technical glitch at NSE. Sitaraman coming and Twitter getting flooded with all the memes. I don't know what was the best one, but mine was this one that bulls were making new record highs and bears हम केबल ही कटवा देंगे. This was the amazing one. And then market getting started 3 o'clock, and then Sitaraman again coming and creating another Sita Nirmala candle, where at around 3:45 they announced that center is lifting embargo on granting business to private banks, and that actually made Bank Nifty zoomed and the market turned. So today our trade plan was to sell on rise at H3 and H4, and that's exactly what I did. I sold Nifty on this particular at around 10 o'clock. Yeah, at around on top of this green bar, which is around close to H4, and then we had whole drama which ran out whole day, and then somewhere on this green bar I got exited, fortunately. So only two trades today at 10:16 and 15:15 with an MTM position of around close to around 800 rupees loss. So that's my day today. What's the learning? Learning is भैया MIS position मत खेलो, खेलना है तो NRML ही खेलो. Because if this kind of technical glitch is going to become a common sight, then you don't want your broker to come and kill you when they square off your position at 315. So that is one of the biggest learning. And the second learning is that this black line 14754 on my chart, this magical line, we have to take this line very very seriously, because this is the line which will turn the market and the scripts. I use a very fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know what are these black blue lines, then please check out my video on YouTube on trade setup. So now let's see what we have in store for tomorrow. So before we get into tomorrow, let's see how the S&P is doing. So S&P is getting back in the action. It has taken support at 20-day moving average, and now it's going for new high. So S&P and global market is definitely in uptrend. Our dollar index currently is below 20, below 8, and below 50. Although today is an upside, but overall it's still under 20 bar. So interpretation could be that it's all right. It's going up, but good for emerging market. Now, when we look into Nifty on daily basis, what we see is another Nirmala candle, which has taken out last two big red bars, and bulls are back. The market has closed below 8, above 20, and above 50-day moving average. If you have seen my video for today's trade plan, I have mentioned that 14754 is a very critical zone which we have, and today market should close above 14754. And look at the style in which it has closed. So market has returned. The bulls have come back. On a 15-minute chart, the view is confirmed, where we see that the market has closed above 8, above 20, above 50, above 14754, and also above a very critical weekly blue lines, but still below 200-day moving average. So here also the trend is confirmed. It is in upside. Tomorrow is an expiry day, and after today's drama, God knows what we have in store for tomorrow. But my trade plan for tomorrow for Nifty is as a defensive trader to go buy on dip. For tomorrow, the pivot for Nifty is at 14,911, and L3 is 14,921. L4 is 14,843, which is also closer to weekly support of 14835. So anything on this zone is a good buy for a target. The first target is 15080, which is also 200 bar moving average, weekly pivot, and weekly resistance. If we break this, then the next target is 15150. So that's the plan for Nifty tomorrow. Buy on dip at pivot, which is 14911. Somewhere 14911. So somewhere here. It may be closer to 8 bar moving average when the markets open up tomorrow. Now, for a bank Nifty on a daily chart, when we see another big Nirmala candle. Like what I said yesterday, Bank Nifty has taken support at a 20 bar moving average and has moved up and has closed above 8, above 20, above 50. So on daily basis, now Bank Nifty is in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed above 200, above 8, above 20, and above 50. So here the trend is absolutely confirmed. It's in uptrend. So for tomorrow, about Bank Nifty, again as a defensive trader, my strategy is buy on dip. Tomorrow pivot is at 36042. L3 is 36119, which is closer to 8 bar moving average. L4 is 35702, which will be closer to 20 bar moving average. But I'm expecting Bank Nifty, if it comes below, then to reverse from pivot, which is 36040. Now, after this news of privatization, this embargo movement, I'm not sure if Bank Nifty will show any amount of correction. So one can also take a 15-minute breakout if they want to be an aggressive trader. Now Bank Nifty has a very strong support at 36421, which is also 20 bar moving average. So any dip on the 200-day moving average could also be a strong, could also be a good dip. Then you can always average it out if market comes down further. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Buy on dip for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bulls are back. Party begins. Stay healthy. Always take NRML position. And Jai Hind.